How to use TikTok Pro Events app. So you can download this app from the App Store or Google Play, whichever. And now let's just open the app. Well, first let's allow all the permissions. Now they do look similar, but they are like separate apps, so you do need to sign up. And then join the current event. Now when you open the app, you'll see the active event, for example the FIFA World Cup event. Tap it to enter the event hub. Then complete the tasks. You'll earn stars by doing tasks such as watching event videos, searching event hashtags, or visiting the event hub, sharing content, and inviting friends during events that support referrals. And then collect stars. As you complete tasks, your star count increases. Some events also include mini games such as kicking a soccer ball during the World Cup event. Then redeem the rewards. Once you've earned enough stars, you can exchange them for rewards like TikTok Shop coupons, official event merchandise, or other event-specific rewards. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.